What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video where today we might be doing the dumbest thing we've ever done on this channel. Now, we're doing Will It Boil? But my camera stopped recording, so I had to restart. So that's the process right now. In here there's a waffle, a cookie, and a vanilla wafer. So yeah, that content is not coming out. Alright guys, the next thing we're going to be boiling is a part of a hot dog bread, and if I can make this, that would be epic. Did I make it? Oh, I made it! I made it! Oh my gosh, I actually made it! I actually made it! I can't believe I actually made that. Alright, let's stir this thingy around. I splashed in the water, but I did. I'll be right back when something interesting happens.
3 days later.
Nothing really interesting has happened, it's just... What is that noise? You guys hear that? It's like... Yee. Oh my gosh. Alright, ew, look at it. That sounds disgusting. How's this water not evaporated yet? I've been like using it for like maybe 10 minutes now. Alright guys, next object. Alright guys, I'm gonna randomly like go like this with the camera, and the first thing I do is, the camera points at is this thing I'm gonna pick. Ready? Another wafer? Alright. Okay. There we go. Alright, let's get it to the boiling thing. Bottle flip. Join your brothers and bread. Look at that wafer, it's just like dancing. It's spinning around. Alright, some chips. Alright, beef stew, beef stew. This smells... It smells like hot dog bread, lime, and vanilla wafers, and a chocolate chip cookie, because that's what I put in it. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's disgusting. It's actually disgusting. Whew. Let's just put like 2 more objects in there and see what happens. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna put that in there. Wait, there's still juice in here. Alright, I regret that. Ugh. It's hot. Alright, I think that's gonna be it. Ooh. It's like disgusting. Alright, where's the pasta strainer? Alright guys, we're gonna put some cranberries in there. Where do they go? Bro, they just disappear, bro. Cranberries. Where'd you go? Alright guys, so right now this thing is looking disgusting. Like absolutely disgusting. Oh, cranberry popped out. Where you going? He's going around. Yeah, I'm about to clean that out with that thing. Alright, one more object, and it's gonna be special. It'd be a mix of ingredients. Chips. Cranberries. Chocolate-filled cookie. Alright guys, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Alright guys. We got the chips. We got this. I might have to clean this soon. I'm gonna have to clean that soon. Oh, there it is. I found it. Ew. It smells like... It's not in my stomach. Ew, what is this? This video is pretty short. I'm sorry. It took me a long time. It's pretty late. I'm gonna clean this out. Yeah, the video's over, guys. But I'm gonna show you not a time lapse, but like a video of me cleaning out the pot. So let's turn this thing off and move it over there. The boiling immediately stopped. Let's just put that over there. So we have so much smoke. Let's get this ready. Let me move these dishes. Yeah. Moved. Alright. Commence pot emptying now. Commence cleaning. You know what? I don't even need this anymore. It can just fall in the drain. It's gonna sneak off my garbage. It's gonna sneak up my garbage. Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, everything's cleaned up. I just gotta like wipe down like the wire that fell out. There you go. There you go. Smells like scrambled eggs. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end for the video. I'll see you guys later. Leave a like, subscribe. It's free. It helps out the channel. Alright guys, stay awesome. Have a good night, day, or wherever you're watching this. I just realized the plate stood up. There you are. Hey guys, this is the new family member, Jasper. He just got a haircut. Alright, Jasper, you want to end the video? Alright guys, leave a like. I'll see you guys later. Bye. I was going to do a hand outro, but cloth. Hey.